Possum Patty here. It's May 19th and I'm nature journaling. It is a beautiful day in May. Winds are out of the south and east. And we have some really high cirrus clouds and some mid-level cumulus and a beautiful blue sky. I could say I'm nature journaling, but I'm really going to get the mail. But I brought the camera just in case. And look how green the woods are turning. It seemed like it took an awful long time for these trees to leaf out. So you can hear those winds on the camera microphone. The gusts today are number 6 to 7 on the Beaufort scale, and that's a strong breeze or a near gale. And that's because Tropical Storm Arthur is passing us by to the south, and this is a symbol for a tropical storm. Now, as I was walking up towards the lane, I found one of these Solomon seal plants. Well, look at this. I found some Solomon seal. You can see the little buds hanging down underneath the leaves. I wonder if that's what's in the woods, real Solomon seal, and not the false Solomon seal. But it didn't have any buds, so can't tell yet. And the buds that are hanging down underneath the leaves look like little green peanuts. Now this is the true Solomon seal. So now I'm wondering if the ones I found in the woods are really Solomon seal or the false Solomon seal. We shall see. Also along the lane were these beautiful cinnamon ferns, and I love the way they grow in the shape of a vase with the fertile stalk in the middle, like cat on my lap. Cat alert, cat alert. I love the way the cinnamon ferns grow. Looks like a vase, and in the center is the fertile frond that's going to make the spores. Isn't that pretty? Another find along the lane was the wild geranium in bloom. They have such a lovely lavender color. So I put that in my journal. I found some wild geranium blooming. Lots of buds. Sometimes this is called crane's bill. And another common name I found for this is old Maid's Nightcap. And I couldn't figure out why they had these names until I found a page on the internet, and I think it's taken from the book Botany in a Day, about the development of the ovary and the seeds. The ovary matures as a schizocarp, which is a dry fruit that splits open. So here we have the style of the plant, and it's long and pointy like a stork bill. And then once it dries and splits open, this is the schizocarp, and curls up. This might be the shape of a nightcap. So you have a little cap with a frilly edge. I put this in here, the little Cinnafoil Flower, because it was just so yellow. It looks so pretty. I just added it on. And the rest of the page is dedicated to poison ivy, Toxicodendron radicans. It's not an ivy at all, but actually belongs to the cashew family. And it contains an oil which may make you itch. A lot of people are highly allergic to this. But surprisingly, this does not affect many mammals, birds, insects, reptiles, amphibians, etc. Quite a bit of poison ivy growing here with these sensitive ferns. And this is actually called the wildlife salad bar, because mammals like black bears and white-tailed deer and raccoons actually browse on all parts of the plant, the leaves and the stems. And the berries, it has white berries in the fall, are eaten by birds. So you might find poison ivy plants growing around your yard where the birds normally perch, because after eating the berry whole, they do poop out the seeds. Thanks for coming along today on this walk down the lane. Bye-bye.